मधुराम का बदन जमीन के नीचे है, मधुराम का बदन जमीन के नीचे है, मधुराम का बदन जमीन के नीचे है, तो हमें उसका राशन मिलता है। शाबाश हालेलुया, शाबाश हालेलुया, शाबाश हालेलुया, तो हमें उसका राशन मिलता है।
Feels good to be heading back east. Jorhat posting after Jammu. Proper Ranu territory again. The last 5 years have changed so much, hasn't it?
So true, Paddy.
Madhuram ka badan. Can you beat that song? Who would have thought that back then one dead man's ration would keep the whole company alive during the siege at Kohima in 1944?
Absolutely, Amit. One man's sacrifice feeding the unit, but today we don't need to draw extra rations on anyone's name. Amar ব্যবস্থা খমুয়ে প্রকৃতিতে আসল শক্তি জগাইছে।
Arshi, do you mean to say that our systems are actually feeding real strength?
Swapin, spot on.
Tejas MK-1A is finally in production. Combined with the Rafales, our air power has jumped to a whole new level. AMCA is our own 5th generation stealth fighter.
Yes, Alpha, India is becoming unstoppable and Atmanirbhar. रुकता नहीं, झुकता नहीं.
Devi, BrahMos was already a beast. But now we have BrahMos 2, Akash Next Generation, Pralay, and the Agni Prime.
Our neighbors will now have to think twice before pulling any stunts with our mighty Bharat.
Arshi, এটা পুরোটা DRDOর credit. We're now making our own anti-drone systems, swarm drones, and loitering munitions. No more depending only on imports.
I agree with you, Amit. Credit goes to the DRDO, and the army is becoming stronger than ever. Leaner and meaner. Dharti ke Dhurandhar.
Dharti ke Dhurandhar.
The Prahar light machine guns, the Dhanush artillery guns, the Mahindra Armado vehicles. Whoa, our inventory is solid.
Anti-drone system, swarm drones, light combat helicopters, mostly indigenous now.
No more waiting for foreign spare parts during operations. Weapons are now being tailored to India's unique terrain, climate, and requirements. Unbelievable.
Alpha, shouldn't we mention the Indian Navy? It is achieving significant milestones in its golden era of maritime dominance.
Of course, Sahi, INS Vikrant, our first fully indigenous aircraft carrier, is fully operational.
The Varunastra, the INS Surat, the INS Imphal. The list is expanding every day.
The blue water capability is real. नीले समंदर के अंदर हम ही है यहाँ के सिकंदर, हम ही है
समंदर के सिकंदर. Yes, the advanced Nilgiri warships are strengthening Bharat's hunter-killer capabilities.
Let's applaud ISRO also, Sari. Remember when Chandrayaan 3 landed on Moon in 2023? That was epic, wasn't it?
Epic, yes. And then there is Navik, our own GPS system made by ISRO. No more depending only on American signals. Accurate navigation for our missiles, drones, and troop movements.
The spirit is still the same as in the Kohima days. Soldiers looking after each other and the nation. Only now our badan is modern, self-made and ready. पत्थर सी है मांसपेशियां, लोहे से भुजदंड अभय, नस नस में है लहर आग की, तभी हमारी होती जय.
If Captain Vikram Batra were alive today, he would have said, "ये दिल मांगे मोर."
ये दिल मांगे मोर.
Not every hero returns with medals. Some return wrapped in the flag they protected, their last breath becoming the wind that keeps our tricolor flying high.
Salute to the bravest of the braves. Rhino charge!
हर सैनिक अपना विक्रम,
हर सैनिक में वो दमखम,
हम सब में सदा अमर है.
हम सबका प्यारा विक्रम.
Let's drink our chai to that.
ये असली असम चाय, जिसे पीकर मजा ही आ जाए. हम करें जीत का निश्चय और एक साथ बोले भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय.